Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy economic strategies with S&P Global, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy economic strategies using S&P Global, begin by accessing the S&P Global website. Create an account if you don't have one to gain full access to their resources. Once logged in, navigate to the Market Intelligence section. Explore the various data tools available for economic analysis. Select the relevant economic indicators that align with your strategy. Review historical data trends for these indicators to understand their impact. Utilize S&P Global's market reports for insights on current economic conditions. Identify sector-specific reports that relate to your area of interest. Use the economic forecasts provided to gauge future trends. Incorporate the gathered data into your economic strategy framework. Consider using S&P Global's analytics tools to visualize data effectively. Perform a comparative analysis with other markets or sectors if needed. Keep an eye on policy changes that might influence your strategy. Regularly update your strategy based on new reports and data releases. Engage with S&P Global's expert analysis for deeper insights. Document your findings and adjustments for future reference. Review your strategy periodically to ensure it remains relevant and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.